Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans. Today I have for you the 2021 Peugeot Expert. This one is a 6-door version in silver. It comes with 55,000 miles on the clock, and I'm just taking you around the vehicle now. This does come with part leather seating inside for up to 3. This has a manual speed, 6-speed, gearbox, reverse gear as well. Of course, we do have cruise control, hands-free cooling as well on here. We do have radio, etc. Air conditioning just below. This does also come with parking sensors, and if I do just show you the load area in the back, you can see that it is interior lit, ply lined, comes with cargo rings to tie down any load you may want to carry, and may I draw your attention to minimal dents, scratches, etc. within the bulkheads. Just the previous owner of this van did of course use it for light loads. And if you'd like to find out more about this Peugeot Expert, then do feel free to head over to our website anchorvans.co.uk, or why not visit our site at Padworth as well.